Bút mitrang ba kajela ba Prestone tensong laong ba kasuka klasim yak sinjam batang ban Khang na phang ba ya barok ki kamti Dewiong Beain ha kajela ha bakran mentakas ngi ka khalai tarik rumpang aja pusat apun riu ba Prestone laong ba compare sejan ne sejengai kasuka kan le dak batang ban pentikna bagi kamti Dewiong Beain kin sangai mardol kani jing ong ba Prestone kalong hadin ba layap life arngut ki breu ha kajing thai ka kremti Dewiong Beain dang sian ha than menskhat thang sku ka ha is gentle his.
See, I don't say whether mafia or not mafia, but let me tell you one thing, as I've said to you, this issue is very deep. The moment the NGT stop the mining activities because of certain provision of Central Act is not followed, I think you knew when that 2014 onwards, this really affected the economy. It really affected the livelihood of our citizens in the state, and especially in those areas where we call it coal belt. It happened. So see what happened when this this ban is affected. It does not affect only for the poor people. It affected even the rich people. So it affected to everybody, to every citizen of the state. So therefore, why now illegal rat hole mining happens? So I don't blame only the rich people, but everybody seems to be involved in these activities, maybe for the question of survival. So this is what's happening. But as I said to you, let me again reiterate today that government is all out to make sure the closure happens, no matter how far or how near that illegal mines located.
So just last